Hello everyone and welcome back to Code with Ro. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our tutorials. Today we're diving into lesson 8 of our JavaScript series where we're going to explore the do while loop. This type of loop is a post-tested loop, which means it will run at least once before checking if it should continue. Let's get started. First, let's look at the basic syntax. In this structure, the code block inside the do section will execute once before the condition at the bottom is checked. If the condition evaluates to true, the loop will run again. This will continue until the condition evaluates to false. Now let's see this in action with a practical example. I'm going to write a small program that outputs numbers 1 through 5. We'll use both an HTML file and a JavaScript file. In your index.html, don't forget to have a script source in the body tag that points to your JavaScript file. And above this, I'll just add a div with an ID of output, and I'll hit save. And in my JavaScript file, I'm gonna have a let output is equal to document.getElement by ID, and we're gonna select that output ID we created for our div in our HTML. And then I'll let number is equal to 1. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the output inner HTML plus equals to number plus, and then we're just gonna add a line break here. And then we'll do number plus plus so that we just keep counting upwards. And let's do this while our number is less than equal to 5. And now when I hit save, you're going to notice that it's going to output 1 through 5. Do while loops are particularly useful when you need to ensure that a block of code is executed at least once, regardless of whether the condition is initially true or not. This could be useful in situations like a user input validation, where you need to prompt the user at least once and then repeat the prompt if the input was invalid. And that wraps up our tutorial on the do while loop in JavaScript. I hope this lesson helps you understand how and when to use this type of loop in your coding projects. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. And remember, the supporting materials and code samples can be found in my Patreon. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching Code with Ro. Stay in touch, and I'll see you in the next video.